Ito yung mga pay plan natin. One account policy, strong leg retention, no flash out, up to 40% direct selling commission, drop shipping option, one leg income, infinity commission, and incentive program. So, again, no, bago ko makalimutan, sa lahat ng packages natin, ito yung mga benefits. Okay? Sa lahat ng package, sa pinakamababa hanggang sa pinakamataas, ito yung benefits. Meron tayong e-commerce dashboard, meron tayong sales funnel, at weekend access sa Socialite Academy. So balik tayo dito sa package ng Jade. So 1,999. Mamimili ka, gusto mo ng beauty set or health set. Ayan. Next package. So meron tayong Ruby. Ito yung Ruby A. So yung Ruby A, 5,999 up to 40% discount na. Again, lahat ng packages natin, merong benefits and privilege. Pare-pareho lang yan. E-commerce dashboard, sales funnel, access to Socialite Academy. So itong Ruby A, 5,999 o 5,999, mamimili ka perfume set or beauty set. Pangalawa is Ruby B. Yan, ganun din, 5,999, health set naman. Okay? Picture nyo na lang. Pangatlo, Ruby Gold. So, meron tayong dalawa. Yung una, yung 7,999. Yan yung gold set, 18 clover. Yan. Yung pangalawang gold ng Ruby Gold, yan. Yung all gold, 8,999. Okay? So, yan po yung Ruby. Ruby A, Ruby B, Ruby Gold. So, ito yung makikita natin ngayon sa Ruby Gold. So, ito yung with mother pearl and moissanite diamond. Ganun din to, black onyx. Alam niyo po ba, ang market value nito, 13,000 pesos. Pero makukuha niyo lang sa unang entry nyo, 7,999. Okay? Grabe, no? Next. Ang next package natin, again, may benefits and privileges. Yan po yan. Ang next natin is Emerald A. 29,999. Mamimili kayo, perfume set or beauty set. Pangalawa naman, Emerald B. 29,999. Health set. And last, Team Emerald Gold, 39,999. Gold set, 5 clover, 18K gold necklace at yung mga inclusions. Meron din under Emerald Gold, ito naman yung 44,999 all gold, 5 all gold. At yung mga inclusions. Okay po? Ayan. Next package, yung Sapphire A, 61,999. Mamili ka between health set and beauty set. Pangalawa, Sapphire B, 81,999. Gold set, 10 clover, 18K gold necklace. At ganoon din, nandun din sa Sapphire B, 87,999. Ito naman, all gold, 10 din. And yung mga inclusions. And next, dito, pwede ka na maging mobile stockist. Basta ang requirement, Sapphire ka, pwedeng ito, plus 50,000 worth of reload. At ano naman ang benefit mo kapag ikaw ay mobile stockist? Ito po yun. Up to 42% discount, 1.5% profit in all membership package sales, 2% profit in all members product reorder. Last package natin, Diamond. Meron tayong 125,999 perfume set. Yan po yan, 63 bottles. Pangalawa naman, Diamond, 165,999. Gold set, 22 clover. Yan. At meron tayong mix, 171,000 combination set. Exclusive to for city stockist. Ayan. So, picture nyo na lang. Again, no, kapag nasa Diamond ka, pwede kang maging city stockist. So, Diamond package plus 250,000 worth of reload, ito yung mga benefits mo. Up to 45% discount, up to 2.5% profit in all membership package sales, and up to 5% profit in all members product reorder.